viewers, the Trinamool Congress has made a big allegation over security scare involving Abhishek Banerjee. The party claims a BJP supporter, allegedly carrying a gun, attempted to target TMC's National General Secretary at Kolkata Airport. In a post, TMC alleged that a BJP Bengal goon had possibly planned to murder Abhishek Banerjee and questioned whether it was a state-sponsored attempt to eliminate a political opponent. The party also attacked the BJP-led administration over law and order, alleging that criminals are roaming freely and acting with absolute impunity. Meanwhile, Union Minister Shukanta Majumdar has appealed for calm amid this political controversy. He urged people to maintain peace, saying no one should take the law in their own hands. Listen in.
मैं लोगों से इतना ही अपील करूंगा, शांति बनाए रखे, कानून के ऊपर भरोसा रखिए, कानून को अपने हाथों में मत लीजिए.
So you heard the reaction there coming in from Shukanta Majumdar. Now this is another important update that we have at this point in time. TMC in fact has made a big allegation over security scare involving Abhishek Banerjee, Mamata Banerjee's nephew. Already we are seeing big turmoil in Trinamool Congress, and amidst all of this, a big allegation there coming in over security scare involving Abhishek Banerjee. And we have some breaking inputs as well that we are getting right now. After Abhishek murder plot claim emerged, cops have detained 5 people. 5 people, in fact, we have learned have been detained in this particular case. So this is the latest update that we have at this point in time. We'll be going across to my colleagues from Bengal to get you more details on this one. And this is an important update because a big allegation, in fact, was made by TMC over a security scare involving Abhishek Banerjee. TMC claimed that a BJP supporter allegedly carrying a gun attempted to target TMC's National General Secretary at Kolkata Airport. And now what we have learned is that 5 people have been detained in this particular case. Who are these 5 people? I mean, we'll try and get from my colleague Rajesh, who's going to be joining us in just a few moments. And TMC, in fact, has alleged that it was BJP Bengal worker who possibly planned to murder Abhishek Banerjee, and TMC also questioned whether it was a state-sponsored attempt to eliminate a political opponent. The party also attacked BJP-led administration over law and order, alleging that criminals are roaming freely and acting with absolute impunity. 5 people we are now getting to know have been detained in this particular case, and we'll see what really happens next. But already political war of words has started on this particular issue. Meanwhile, viewers, there is no end to the troubles for TMC. Amid an internal rift in the party, the police have frozen 3 TMC-linked bank accounts following a complaint from Rebel Camp over funds worth hundreds of crores. Rebel Camp, led by TMC MLA Biswanath Das, alleged that the funds may be perhaps ill-gotten and demanded a probe. Leader of opposition Ritabhrata Banerjee has claimed party's MLAs do not have full information about the funds under investigation.
Actually, the MLAs, almost 10 of our MLAs, they have lodged a complaint. ये complaint इसलिए lodge किया गया है क्योंकि ये पैसा कहां से आया है? एक्सटॉर्शन का पैसा है, कटमनी का पैसा है, गवर्नमेंट फंड साइफन हुआ है, लिप्स एंड बाउंड्स का पैसा है. ये सब प्रोब होना चाहिए. हम लोग तो प्रोब नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो ये हम लोग इसलिए एफआईआर किए हैं. तो एफआईआर से गवर्नमेंट अगर प्रोब करेगा मालूम होगा, और खास करके ये पैसा इस्तेमाल भी ना हो. एज ए चार्टर्ड फ्लाइट में दिल्ली जा रहा है 4 करोड़ 4.5 करोड़ रुपया आने जाने में. तो ये पार्टी का कॉमन आदमी जो केस लड़ रहा है उसके लिए पैसा नहीं है. एमएलए लोग अपने गोल्ड गिरवी रख रहे हैं. और ये तो हम लोग ये एफआईआर में लिखे हैं कि प्रोब भी होना चाहिए और ट्रांजैक्शन तुरंत बंद कर देना चाहिए.
वो सारे के बाहर पार कर दिया. अरे देखिए ना, उनका जो एकदम नजदीक का नेता जो अरूप विश्वास, वो खुद बोल रहा है जो 2000 करोड़ हमारा बैंक में रख दिया, इसको सीज करो. तो इससे समझ सकता है ये लोग कितना दुर्नीति किया, और पार्टी का नेता कार्यकर्ता को अकाउंट में वो रुपया को भाग कर दिया.
Let's now go across to my colleague Rajesh, who's joining us live right now for more on this. Rajesh, on the allegation by TMC, 5 people, in fact, have been detained. Can you tell us who these 5 people really are and what exactly has happened?
See, 5 people have been detained by Bidhannagar Police Commissionerate in connection with the ruckus happened in front of the Kolkata airport last night, because TMC MP and General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee was scheduled to land at Kolkata airport last night, and before his landing, before his arrival, a group of people started gathering over there in front of the exit gate of Kolkata airport, and since then the TMC started alleging that those people from Bharatiya Janata Party are planning to attack Abhishek Banerjee, and following which one of the persons from that particular group was caught red-handed with a firearm, as per the allegation raised by Trinamool Congress, and he was handed over to police. Right now he is being questioned by Bidhannagar Police Commission whether he was carrying any firearm when Abhishek Banerjee was scheduled to arrive at the Kolkata airport. And apart from this particular person, 5 people have been arrested by airport police station, and airport police station is currently investigating this case, whether there was any conspiracy to kill Abhishek Banerjee or not. Back to you.
Right. Thank you, Rajesh, for the moment for joining us with your inputs on this story.